I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes.
So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. This is going to be more of like a minimalistic makeup look. I will be using several of the Merit Beauty products as well. A clean makeup brand. They're also vegan, cruelty free. First I want to show you this cute bag. This is from Merit. This, they give it to you for free when you purchase $40 and up. This black one is a limited edition for the holidays. I believe the one they have is like a camel beige color. You can check. If you would want to purchase any of the products, I will have a link in the description that you can click on it. If you don't want to use the link, you don't have to. You can just go straight to their website. I love black because it's one of my favorite colors. It goes with everything. You can use it for so many different things. Here I have it full of the Merit products that we will be using. First, this is the #1 brush, tapered blending brush. Let me just show you. Feels really soft. I love that it's black. Love it. And there you go. It's a go-to blend out any complexion product so well that you won't be able to tell where your skin and makeup meet. I'm gonna be using this Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. Chose the color Silk. It retails for $38. There's 19 shades that you could choose from. You just twist it. 0.13 ounce. Does not look bad. Look at that. There's absolutely no smell to this. Natural finish, long wearing. Start applying it to half my face and we'll see how this works. I mean, the color looks good. It really does. I don't know what kind of shape I just did there. I'm gonna start blending it out with this brush and see how well it works. I'm just going like in circular motions. So it is concealing a good amount, as you can see. I'm going to apply also as a concealer, some around my nose, like that. The brush is doing a really good job. I will check in a second up close to see how it's looking. I always usually use more like sponges, but I did use brushes a long time ago. I'm blending it down my neck and is matching really well. What do you think of the color? I think it's looking really good, right? You can tell the difference immediately. Wow. Works really well. It doesn't feel rough or anything on the skin. I'm gonna go ahead set this with my Too Faced Poreless Skin Smoothing Pressed Powder really quick. I always set my foundation, concealer. Okay, now let's move on to the brows. I'm gonna use this Merit Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. It sells for $24 and I believe there's 3 shades at the moment to pick from: blonde, brown, and black brown. Get 0.08 ounces. Look how pretty this looks for a brow product. If you like gold. This one, I chose it in the color blonde. This is what it looks like, the spoolie. I'm gonna fill in one brow to see. I usually use like a dip pomade. So let's see how this one works. By just brushing it, how the color looks. And we'll see if you can tell a difference. I'm just like combing my hairs up in the front. So I don't see a lot of color deposit. I mean, you can tell the difference a little. I do have some of the foundation on them. So I just had to build it up a bit. Now I'm just going to do this one. Tinted gel designed to give you your most face framing brows yet. Shaping, grooming, and adding hold for a fuller, more natural look. I use this Fenty Beauty in the Sunstalker bronzer, and I picked this one because it's really light and it looks super like minimalistic. You can't really see it show up a lot. I do have many shades to pick from, but I'm just gonna put this one for this video since we're not trying to go for like a full glam here. And I'll leave all the products that I'm using down below. If it's anything from Merit that you're interested in, then click the link that I'm leaving below. Merit has a blush, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna use this. This is from NARS and it's the Orgasm Blush. This is just a little one that I have, and just apply a bit. As much as you want, as little as you want. Now we have this here, which is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm from Merit. It comes in 2 shades. Retails for $30. The packaging, how cute is this? I love this color, I don't know why. This one is in the color Cava. I know they have 2 shades. The other shade is called Bounce. This one is a champagne, which I always loved, like champagne highlighters. The other one is Bounce, which is a rose gold. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? I don't know if I'll just apply like directly here and blend it to see how that works. How natural that looks. Like, it all depends how much you apply. This doesn't have any glitter or shimmer. A sheer lightweight moisturizing highlighter made for daytime wear that visibly illuminates your skin for a dewy glow with zero sparkle. Finish radiant color light. If you're into that, I know a lot of people don't like shimmer or glitter in their highlighter. And this is extremely easy to blend. And your Cupid's glow. Get that glow. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to use this from Huda Beauty. This is Jaguar. These are the shades. I know they look crazy, but I'm not going to use any dark colors. I'm just going to use this shade right here. I want to do really quick on the inner corner is take that Day Glow highlighter from Merit and apply it on the brush and just put it like in the inner corner. And look how pretty that looks. It just like brightens up the eye. Put some liner. This is from Maybelline. I really like this one, though I like a lot of different ones. Alright, so now I'm just going to curl my lashes and we'll go in with this Merrick Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. This one retails for $26. I usually only wear waterproof mascara, but I want to show you for the ones that do use it, how it works. Look how pretty. I love this packaging, the black and the gold. Like, this is gorgeous. This is the color Perfect Black. This is an Allure Clean Beauty winner. An everyday mascara that defines, separates, and lengthens lashes for a wide awake look with no smudging ever. So, of course, I'll leave it in the comments. I'll update you to see how this works throughout the day. Here's the wand. So that's just with one coat. I don't feel like it's too dry. It's a little wet, but not too wet, so I would say go in twice with it if you want, prefer. I mean, this is building it up twice, and I can tell you the separation and the lengthening of this mascara is just insane. And apply this to the bottom lash very carefully. Very pretty. Merit Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. I believe there's 8 shades of this. I picked the shade Bel Air, which is a warm clear if you really want to go minimalist. Look how gorgeous this is. This is just so pretty. This retails for $24. You get 0.23 ounces. This is hydrating, fragrance-free, high shine finish. Slick of sheer color infused with rose hip oil and shea butter for healthy looking lips all day long. I love this kind of applicator. No scent whatsoever. So if you're a person that hates scented makeup, I mean, this is definitely for you. That's what it looks like. Have a deep brown, they have deep berry, soft red orange, neutral brown, cool pink, soft peach, warm blush. I just happened to pick this one. I'm just gonna apply it. Wow, that feels really nice. Definitely moisturizing. Not sticky at all. My favorite products was definitely the Day Glow highlighter. I definitely loved the lip product. Brush works fantastic. Like, it definitely did its job. It blended everything well, not patchy. The brow product was really good too. I just had to build it up like 2 applications to show up like something that I'm used to. Just want to thank Merrick for sending me these products to try out for you. Not a sponsored video, but they were gifted to me. Check out the link in the description. If not, go straight to the Merrick website, or you can get them at Sephora if you would like. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me featuring Merit Beauty, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!